Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can turn on the Windows Defender real-time protection in Windows 11. So for that, first you have to click on this arrow icon in desktop in taskbar. Then you will find Windows Defender or Windows Security option here. You have to right click on that and just click on View Security Dashboard. So here you will find all the security options here. So you can just simply enable turn on the virus and threat protection. That means Windows Defender security options uh, by easily clicking on turn on. So they just basically rename the Windows Defender settings to Windows Security. Like so, basically it's the same thing. So you have to go. You can turn on from here, or you can go in and like see other settings as well. For example, you can manage settings from here, and here you can like turn on turn on or like off specific settings. Like I have turned off the real-time protection. I'm gonna turn it on. So let me type. So you can see like you can turn it on and you can turn it off as well, and you can like turn on the virus and threat protection, uh, real-time protection, but you can turn off the cloud delivered protection. But I would suggest you never to turn off the cloud delivered protection, because ransomware viruses can attack your computer then easily. So basically that's how you can turn on Windows Defender settings in Windows 11. And if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.